Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, and today I'm excited to introduce our new Apple CarPlay Android Auto Smart Dash for the Tesla Cybertruck. The T-sportline engineers really knocked it out of the park on this. It's a totally rigid installation. It mounts right underneath the center screen. This is a bolt-on plug-and-play solution. There's no cutting or splicing of wires. There's no messing around with tape or adhesive on brackets. There's no plastic brackets. We include a bracket that was actually a patent-pending bracket. It's made from laser-cut alloy steel, powder-coated black, and it just slips into location behind the center screen here. No screws, no tape, no messing around, and it's non-permanent. When you turn in your Cybertruck lease, you can remove it, no problem at all. We have two power options. The first one is the OBD2 connector, and it simply plugs in underneath the dash, routes up to the screen, and gives you a USB-C power cord. It's the same power source we're using for our phone mount over here. So if you're also running our phone mount, then you're going to want to select our USB-C cable option for the smart screen. And that USB-C cable option includes a wire that plugs into the dash and routes into the center console or the back of the center console. So we've got you covered either way. Now you may know the Apple CarPlay allows you to use whatever navigation you want. Some of us don't want to use the Tesla navigation. That's great. If you want to use Google Maps or whatever you have on your Android for navigation, it will work with this screen. From a setup perspective, we focused on making this extremely easy. You turn on Bluetooth on your phone, you push CarPlay on the screen, it's going to tell you to connect to the screen. You confirm that on your phone, you approve that you're going to use CarPlay, and that's it, you're up and running. It's not a complicated process. I can do it, my mom can do it, you can do it. From an installation perspective, plan for about 15 minutes. It's really not bad. You'll be up and running. Okay everybody, let me know what you think of our new CarPlay Android Auto Dash for Cybertruck in the comments below. And if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more goodness coming for Cybertruck, so make sure you stay tuned.